What's up, big timers? We've got 40 of the newest 2019 Hot Wheels. Let's go ahead, open them up, and get a close-up look at them. First up is the 1984 Od Sport Quattro. Next is a 71 Ford Mustang funny car. Next up is the Volkswagen Golf GTI Momo Edition. After that, we've got the Sting Rod. Then we've got the 2018 Camaro Ss. After that, we have El Viento. Next up is a new color for the Justice League Batmobile. Then we have another new color for Crescendo. Some cool flames on this 57 Chevy. Our first motorbike, the Tread Shredder. Then we've got the 2005 Ford Mustang. Now we've got the 64 Chevy Chevelle SS. Then we've got our first recolor of the 87 Dodge D100 pickup truck. We've got this really cool 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback. Now we've got this 78 Dodge Little Red Express truck, but not in red. Next is the 2018 Camaro Ss. Another motorbike, the Ducati 1199 Panigale. Next is a cool new recolor of the Volkswagen Golf Mk2. Next up is the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. After that, we've got this cool custom Volkswagen Beetle. Check out this cool golf livery on the '68 Chevy Nova. Next, we've got the '49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup. Next up is a new color for the Rip Rod. Check out the cool flames on the '69 Dodge Charger Daytona. A really cool new casting, it's the wheelie chair. I love the color on this 1970 Chevelle SS wagon. After that is the '71 El Camino. A cool new fantasy casting, it's the Rocket Fire. Next up is the '69 Chevelle. After that, we've got the '72 Ford Ranchero. Next up, we've got the Minecart. I love this new color of the Track Ripper. Next, we have the '67 Shelby GT500 Mustang. Now we've got a new Moon Eyes color variation of the Volkswagen Golf Racer. Then we've got the custom '72 Chevy Love. Another cool flamed out car, the '69 Ford Torino Talladega. Then we've got a cool new recolor of the Batmobile. Next up is a new recolor of the Gazella GT. After that, we've got a really cool looking chromed out Electrac. And last but not least, we've got a recolor of the Carbonator. In the comments down below, let me know which is your favorite Hot Wheels casting that we unboxed today.
thanks big timers for watching this video. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe and throw this video a like. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye bye.